Hello everyone, welcome back to Mahila Samacha Digital Classes. This is your maths tutor from Mahila Samacha High School. I welcome you all to the 8th standard mathematics presentation. In this presentation, we will discuss about the exercise 2.3 from the chapter linear equations in one variable. This is the part 5 video of the linear equations in one variable. Children, come to the first question of exercise 2.3. In that, the heading is solve the following equations and check your results. Children, we already solved so many linear equations in exercise 2.1 and 2.2. What is the difference from those mains to this main is we want to verify our answer. Children, come to the question number 1. Question number 1 is 3x equals to 2x plus 18. 3x equals to 2x plus 18. So, let us take that equation 3x equals to 2x plus 18 and transposing this plus 2x to left hand side. So, 3x minus 2x. If we transpose this plus 2x to left hand side, it becomes minus 2x. 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. Children, 3x and 2x are the like terms. If we subtract these two, that means from 3x, if we subtract 2x, we will get 1x. So that 3x minus 2x means 1x, which is equal to 18. X equals to 18. Hence, x equal to 18 is the required solution. Children, we want to verify whether our answer is right or wrong. To check this, let us take the equation as it is 3x equals to 2x plus 18. Then put the x value 18 in both sides of the equation. Let us take the LHS. LHS is 3x. 3x means 3 into x value is 18. So that 3 into 18. 18 3s are 54. So that LHS becomes 54. Then let us take the RHS. RHS is 2x plus 18. 2 into x value is 18 plus 18. 2 into 18 plus 18. 2 18s are 36 children. 2 18s are 36 plus 18. 36 plus 18 means again we will get the 54. Here LHS value is also 54 and RHS value is also 54. Therefore LHS equals to RHS, hence verified. Now let us come to the question number 2. 5t minus 3 equals to 3t minus 5. Children, let us take the equation as it is 5t minus 3 equals to 3t minus 5. 5t, if we transfer this plus 3t to your left hand side, it becomes minus 3t. 5t minus 3t, write on the minus 3 as it is equal to minus 5. In 5t, 3t goes means we'll get the 2t. In 5t, 3t goes means 5t minus 3t means we'll get the answer as 2t. 2t equals to minus 5. If we transfer this minus 3 to this side, it becomes plus 3. So minus 5 plus 3. 2t equals to, in minus and plus sign is there means we need to subtract. In 5, 3 goes means we'll get the answer as 2. So that 5 minus 3 means 2. The greater term has minus sign. So that let us take the symbol here as minus. So that the obtained equation is 2t minus 2t equals to minus 2. Then t equals to minus 2 divided by 2. If we transfer this multiplication 2 to this side, it becomes divided by 2. So t equals to minus 2 divided by 2. If we divide the 2 minus 2 means we'll obtain the answer as minus 1. The quotient as minus 1. 2 ones are get cancels. The quotient is minus 1. So that the t value is minus 1 children. If we solve this equation, we'll get the t value as minus 1. I hope you understood this. 5t plus 3t comes this side means it becomes minus 3t. Write on the minus 3 as it is equal to minus 5. In 5t, 3t goes means we'll get 2t. Greater term has positive sign, so plus 2t equals to minus 5. If we transfer this minus 3 to our right hand side, then it becomes plus 3. So minus 5 plus 3. Minus plus sign is there means, that means opposite signs are there means we need to subtract. In 5, 3 goes means 2. The greater term has minus sign. So that minus 2. 2t equals to minus 2. T equals to minus 2 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So t equals to minus 1. Hence t equals to minus 1 is the required solution. So to verify this, let us take the equation as it is. 5t minus 3 equals to 3t minus 5. In this LHS is 5t minus 3. Let us take the 5t minus 3, which is equal to 5 into t value is minus 1. 5 into minus 1 minus 3. Plus into minus minus. 5 ones are 5. So 5 into minus 1 means it becomes minus 5. Write down the minus 3 as it is. Children, this is minus 5 and this is minus 3. If any two numbers carry same symbols means we need to add those two terms. So minus 5 minus 3 means 5 plus 3 means 8. The greater term has minus sign, so minus 8. So LHS becomes minus 8. Now let us take the RHS. RHS means 3t minus 5, which is equal to 3 into t value is minus 1 minus 5, which is equal to plus into minus minus 3 ones are 3. Then write down the minus 5 as it is. Minus 3 minus 5 means again same symbols. So that we need to add these two terms. 5 plus 3, 8. The greater term has minus sign. So minus 8. LHS is also minus 8. RHS is also minus 8. LHS equals to RHS. Hence verified. Now come to the question number 3, children. Question number 3 is 5x plus 9 equals to 5 plus 3x. 5x plus 9 equals to 5 plus 3x. So we have 5x plus 9 equals to 5 plus 3x. Now transpose this plus 3x to your LHS of the equation. So 5x plus 3x comes this side means it becomes minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 5. In 5x 3x goes means we'll get 2x. 5x 3x goes means 2x plus 9 is equal to 5. So in 5x 3x goes means 2x equals to 5. If we transfer this plus 9 to that side, it becomes minus 9. Then 2x equals to 1 plus and 1 minus sign is there, children. So that we need to subtract these two terms. In 9, 5 goes means we'll get 4. The greater term has minus sign. So minus 4. 2x equals to minus 4. 9 minus 5 means 4. The greater term greater term 9 has minus sign. So that minus 4. 9 minus 5 means 4. The greater term has minus sign. So minus 4. 2x equals to minus 4. X equals to minus 4. If we send this 2 to that side, it becomes divided by 2. So minus 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So x value is minus 2. Hence, x equals to minus 2 is the required solution. To verify this, see here, let us take the equation 5x plus 9 equals to 5 plus 3x. Putting x equals to minus 2, we have LHS. Let us take the LHS. 5x plus 9. 5 into x value is minus 2 plus 9. 5 into x value is minus 2 plus 9. Plus into minus minus. 5 twos are 10 plus 9. 1 minus and 1 plus sign is there means again we need to subtract. In 10, 9 goes means we'll get 1. So that the greater term has minus sign, so it carries the minus symbol. The result carries the minus symbol. So minus 1 is the value of LHS. Then let us take the RHS. RHS is 5 plus 3x. 5 plus 3 into x value is minus 2, which is equal to 5 plus into minus minus. 3 twos are 6. In 6, 5 goes means we'll get 1. The greater term has minus sign, so minus 1. LHS value is also minus 1. RHS value is also minus 1. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. Hence, verified. Now let us come to the question number 4, children. In question number 4, 4z plus 3 equals to 6 plus 2z. 4z plus 3 equals to 6 plus 2z. Let us take that equation. See, 4z plus 3 equals to 6 plus 2z. 4z and transposing this plus 2z to LHS will get 4z minus 2z plus 3 is equal to 6. In 4z, 2z goes means, in 4 2 goes means we'll get 2. So 2z plus 3 equals to 6. Here 4z is a greater term, it has positive sign, so that plus 2z plus 3 write down as it is equal to 6. 2z equals to 6. If we transpose this plus 3 to RHS side, it becomes minus 3. So 2z equals to 6 minus 3. 2z equals to, in 6 minus, that means in 6 3 goes means we'll get 3. So 2z equals to 3. Z equals to 3 by 2 is the answer. 3 by 2 is the answer. Hence, Z equals to 3 by 2 is the required solution, children. Let us check. 4z plus 3 equals to 6 plus 2z. Z equals to 3 by 2. We have LHS equals to 4z plus 3. No, let us take the LHS 4z plus 3, which is equal to 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3. 4 into Z value is 3 by 2. 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3 equals to 6 plus 3, which is equal to 9. That means 2 to get cancels, children. 2 1s are 2 2s are get cancels. 2 3s are 6 it becomes. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 4 and 3. 4 into 3 means, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 and 3. 2 into 3 means 6 we will get. 6 plus 3 equals to 9. In the same way, let us take the RHS. 6 plus 2z equals to 6 plus 2 into 3 by 2. 2 to get cancels, children. So that 6 plus 3 get remains. 6 plus 3 means 9. LHS is also 9. RHS is also 9. So that LHS equals to RHS. Hence our answer is verified. Now come to the question number 5, children. In question number 5, 2x minus 1 equals to 14 minus x is the question number 5. 2x minus 1 equals to 14 minus x. Let us take the equation. 2x minus 1 equals to 14 minus x. 2x, if we transpose this minus 1x to this side, it becomes plus 1x. 2x plus 1x equals to 14 minus 1 comes to this side means it becomes plus 1. 14 plus 1. 2x plus 1x means 3x equals to 14 plus 1 means 15. X equals to 15 divided by 3, which is equal to 3 1s are 3 5s are. So x value is 5. Hence x equals to 5 is the required solution. To verify this, let us take the equation 2x minus 1 equals to 14 minus x. Here in this we want to substitute the x value as 5. To that, let us take the RHS first. Let us take the LHS first. LHS we have as 2x minus 1. 2 into x value is 5. 2 into x value is 5. So 2 into 5 minus 1. 2 5s are 10 minus 1. In 10 1 goes means we'll get 9. So that the LHS value is 9. Let us come to the RHS value. RHS is 14 minus x, children. 14 minus x value is 5. In 14 5 goes means we'll get 9. So LHS value is also 9. RHS value is also 9. So that LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Now come to the question number 6, children. The question number 6 is 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 of x minus 1 or 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. 8x plus 4 equals to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Let us take the equation, children. 8x plus 4. equals to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Write down the 8x plus 4 as it is equals to 3 into x, 3x plus into minus minus 3 ones are 3 plus 7. 3 into x, 3x minus 3 ones are 3 plus 7. That means solving the bracket will get this equation. Next, in next step, 8x plus 7, 8x plus 4 equals to 3x plus 7 minus 3 means we need to subtract these two things. Plus and minus means we need to subtract. In 7, 3 goes means we'll get the answer as 4. The greater term has positive sign. So plus 4. 8x plus 4 equals to 3x plus 4. 8x, let us transpose this plus 3x to LHS, it becomes minus 3x. Then if we transpose this plus 4 to this side, it becomes minus 4. So 8x minus 3x equals to, write down this plus 4 as it is. If we transpose this plus 4 to this side, it becomes minus 4. In 8x, 3x goes means 5x equals to 4 minus 4 means 0. 5x equals to 0. X equals to 0 divided by 5. X equals to 0 divided by 5 means 0 itself, children. Thus, x equals to 0 is the required solution. Now, to verify this, let us take the equation as it is. 8x plus 4 equals to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So first, let us take the, so here, take the LHS and RHS at a time. 8 into x value is 0 plus 4 equals to 3 into 0 minus 1 plus 4. X value is 0, no children. Instead of x minus 1, let us take here 0 minus 1 plus 7. 8 zeros are 0 plus 4 equals to 3. 0 minus 1 means minus 1 itself, children. In 1, 0 goes means we'll get 1 itself. 1 is the greater term, it has minus sign, so minus 1. 3 into minus 1 means plus into minus minus, 3 ones are 3. So that minus 3 is the answer plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7. 0 plus 4 equals to minus 3 plus 7. 4 plus 0 means 4 itself. Plus and minus sign is there means we need to subtract. In 7, 3 goes means we'll get 4. So that plus the greater term has positive sign plus 4. LHS is also 4. RHS is also 4. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, we verified the answer. This is the right answer, children. So, now let us move on to the next question. Solve and check the results. X equals to 4 by 5 of x plus 10. 4 by 5 times x by 10. Let us take x equals to 4 by 5 times x plus 10. Multiplying both sides of the equation by 10, we obtain here 5x. 5x equals to, here if we multiply this side by 5 means 5 get cancels. So it becomes 4 into x plus 10. If we multiply the both sides of the equation by 5, here 5 into x, 5x. Here also into 5 is there, no? 5 and numerator 5 and denominator 5 get cancelled. So that we will obtain the 4 into x plus 10. 5x equals to 4 into x, 4x plus into plus plus 4 tens are 40. And transposing this plus 4x to LHS. So it becomes 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. In 5x, 4x goes means we'll get x, which is equal to 40. LHS is 40. LHS value is 40. Then let us take the RHS now. 4 by 5. See here only LHS term has only x now. X value is 40. Then let us take the RHS. 4 by 5 into x plus 10. 4 by 5 into 40 plus 10 means the x value is 40, no? So 40 plus 10 is equal to 4 by 5 into 40 plus 10 means 50. 5 ones are 5 tens are. So 4 tens are 40. LHS is also 40. RHS is also 40. So LHS equals to RHS. Hence the result obtained is correct. Now let us move on to the 8th question, children. Solve and check the result. 2x by 3 plus 1 equals to 7x by 15 plus 3. Children, and transposing this 7x by 15 to LHS and plus 1 to RHS, the equation becomes like this. See children, 2x by 3, if we transpose this plus 7x by 15 to left hand side, it becomes minus 7x by 15 equals to, write on the 3 as it is, plus 3 as it is. If we transpose this plus 1 to this side, it becomes minus 1. 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 equals to 3 minus 1. So here 3 and 15 different denominators are there. So if we find the LCM for these different denominators, we'll get the LCM as 15. So LCM is 15 here, children. So we took the common denominator as 15. Instead of 3 and 15, two different denominators, we are taking the common denominator as 15. So here, to make the 3 as 15, we want to multiply the numerator 5 times. 3 5s are 15. So that multiply the numerator also 5 times. 5 into 2x. 5 into 3, 15. So that 5 into 2x. Then write down the minus symbol as it is. Here 15 is there. Here also 15 is there. Same symbol, children. Then there is no, if there is no change in the denominator, there is no need to change the numerator also. So that write down the numerator as it is, minus 7x. 5 into 2x minus 7x by 15 equals to, in 3 1 goes means we'll get 2. 5 2s are 10x minus 7x. In 10x 7x goes means we'll get 3x by 15 equals to 2. 3 1s are 3 5s are, so x by 5 equals to 2. And multiplying both sides by 5, we'll get x by 5 into 5 means 5 get cancels, x remains, equals to 2 into 5 means 2 5s are 10. So x value is 10. X value is 10. See children, LHS, let us take the LHS to verify this equation statement. 2x by 3 plus 1 equals to 2 into 10 by 3 plus 1. 2 10s are 20 by 3 plus 1, or let us take the common denominator for both the terms. Here 3, 2 into 10 plus 1 into 3 equals to 2 10s are 20 plus 3 1s are 3. So 20 plus 3, 23 by 3. Then RHS is 7x by 15 plus 3. 7 into 10 by 15 plus 3. Here 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So that 7 into 2 by 3 plus 3. 7 2s are 14 by 3 plus 3. Let us take the common denominator as 3 for both. See here, nothing is there in the denominator means 1 is there. So 1 and 3. For 1 and 3, let us take the common denominator as 3. Then write down the 14 as it is, plus 3 3s are 9. Why we want to multiply this numerator with 3 means, here the denominator is 1, but we changed the denominator into 3. So that we want to multiply the numerator also with 3 times. So 14 plus 3 into 3 by 3. 14 plus 3 3s are 9. 14 plus 9 means 23 by 3. LHS is also 23 by 3. RHS is also 23 by 3. LHS equals to RHS. Hence the result obtained above is correct. I hope you understood this, children. Practice yourself. The next question is 2y plus 5 by 3 equals to 26 by 3 minus y. 2y plus 5 by 3 equals to 26 by 3 minus y. And transposing minus y to LHS, it becomes 2y plus y. And on transposing plus 5 by 3 to this side, it becomes minus 5 by 3. 2y plus y equals to 26 by 3. Write down the 26 by 3 as it is. If we transpose this plus 5 by 3 to this side, it becomes minus 5 by 3. See here, children, 2y plus 1y means 3y equals to. Here denominators are same, children, 3, 3. common denominators are there, so that we can directly subtract the numerators. Let us take the denominator as 3. In 26, 5 goes means we'll get the value as 21. 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. On dividing both sides of the, see 3y equals to 7 children. So on dividing both sides of the equation by 3, we'll get 3 get cancels, then 7 by 3 remains as it is. The y value is 7 by 3. Or on transposing this 3 to your right hand side, it becomes y equals to 7 by 3. The y value is 7 by 3. LHS equals to, now to check this, to verify this answer, let us take the LHS. LHS equals to 2y plus 5 by 3, which is equal to 2 into y value is 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3. 2 sevens are 14 by 3 plus 5 by 3. Common denominators are there, so that add the numerators directly. 14 plus 5, 19. 3 common denominator, so that let us take the denominator as 3 itself. 19 by 3 is the answer. RHS equals to 26 by 3 minus y. 26 by 3 minus 7 by 3. Here also common denominators are 3, so that we can subtract the numerators directly. In 26, 7 goes means we'll get 19. So 19 by 3. LHS is also 19 by 3. RHS is also 19 by 3. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. Hence, the result obtained is correct. This is the last question of this exercise, children. Solve and check the result. 3m equals to 5m minus 8 by 5. 3m equals to 5m minus 8 by 5. Transposing the plus 5m to LHS, 3m plus 5m comes this side, means it becomes minus 5m equals to minus 8 by 5. Children, in 5m, 3m goes means we'll get 2m. The greater term has minus sign, so minus 2m equals to minus 8 by 5. Dividing both sides of the equation by minus 2, we obtain minus 2 get cancelled, so it becomes m, which is equal to, here if we divide this by minus 2 means minus symbols get cancels, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8 get cancels. Children, see here, if we multiply this side with minus 2, minus and minus symbol get cancels. Then 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. So m value becomes 4 by 5. LHS equals to 3m equals to 3 into 4 by 5. 3m means 4 by 5. So that 3 into 4 by 5. 3 4s are 12 by 5. Let us take the RHS. 5m minus 8 by 5. 5 into m value is 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. 5 get cancels. Or 5 4s are 20 by 5. In 28 goes means we'll get 8 by 5. Here denominators are same, no children. So no need to worry about the numerators. Directly we can subtract the numerators. 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 8 means 12. 5 and 5 are the common denominators. So 12 by 5 is the answer. LHS is also 12 by 5. RHS is also 12 by 5. Hence the result obtained from the above equation is correct, children. So what we solved up to here. So children, please concentrate on the problems and see in this presentation, I did not explain the minute divisions, minute multiplications. Why? Because means you want to do your own. So while explaining or while watching this presentation itself, please do your notes. And wherever I explained about the minute divisions and minute multiplications, do that multiplications and do that revisions in your notes, children, and submit the notes through the WhatsApp group. This is the end of your exercise 2.3. Thank you, children. Thank you, one and all. I hope you understood this exercise, children. Children, practice makes the man perfect. Every time I used to repeat this statement, practice makes the man perfect. Keep on practicing, children. Daily maths, practice the maths daily, once or twice in a day. It makes you perfect. Practice makes the man perfect. Have a great day, children. Thank you.